We will be starting with this. I'm supposed to share this tweet yesterday. Yes, they just came to the entry, and this is it. Waiting for it to move our way. So let me share this tweet first. And we all see it's going to go. So you can buy this now. You can buy this if you're active. Okay, so we sell. So buy. So we paste the SL and TP in the group. Let me see. Let me paste the SL and the TP as well. $22.69. So if you are active, just enter for the sale. Let's see how today goes. Okay, I've pasted that on the group already. Now let's go back to the analysis for the day. Start from the top and see what the market is doing today. First, we start with the XAU USD. XAU USD, there's no clear setup for today. The market seems to be ranging at this point, though I wanted it to come down here yesterday. It did not reach this zone, so I did not take any trade here yesterday. On the Euro USD, what are we seeing? Here we break up structure at this point, so I'm expecting it to come down and take me from here. Then we start buying into this liquidity here. Let's see what happens today. Then GBP JPY. On the GBP JPY, there's no entry for now, so let's just be patient and see. Then GBP USD also, there's no entry for now. AUD JPY, nothing for now. NZD JPY. Actually, on action option, we entered this trade, and this is it. Hope nobody entered the trade again. So I saw it going up after it broke. After it took our SL, I knew it was going to go up more. No, sorry, we went to the break even, not SL. I almost forgot that. And the Euro GBP was the overall trend. Things much be coming to this point, so it's to sell down to here or here. Let's just wait and see. And they're not giving us any sell entry on 1 hour, so let's just wait. In the CAD JPY, there's no entry for none as well. GBP CAD, GBP CHF also showing nothing for now. AUD USD was also just posted, so hold on to this trade. I guess that will be all we'll be trading today. Just hold on to it and let's see how it goes. Came down to this place before reversing to touch the entry again. Let's see how it goes today. AUD CAD is nothing for now. USD JPY, yeah. I've been waiting for this trade last night, but there's something fishy about this. If you come to the daily time frame, you see the previous day low. Previous day low is here. Market did not take out the previous day low before, so something happened to us on Friday. I don't want it to repeat itself. It came down, took out the previous day low before it started buying. So if it's going to take out that previous day low, which is this point, we'll be expecting it to drop below to this side. This is not a perfect entry. But that's an entry after other block after liquidity. There's also an FVG here, so if you go down to 15 minutes to see clearly if it's going to hold, this is another block here. You should be looking out for entry from here instead. Let's wait for the market to take out the previous day low. Then we can have a safe haven from here. Call it a safe haven because you have more confidence when taking such trade from that point. If you take it from here, I will not be sure about the trade, so I don't want to be having doubts when I'm entering a trade. Let's see how it goes. If it comes down to that point to take out the previous day low, then we can find an entry for there. This will be 24 pips SL. So let's see. We're waiting for confirmation on this to see what happens. Because as you can also see from the daily time frame, it did not take out the previous day high. So definitely it must take out the previous day low before it starts going up. Or let's just see what happens. Mostly Thursday, it's usually used Thursday to take out previous day high or low from what I've noticed lately. USD card, the USD card, there's no clear entry for now. Let's keep holding. We're expecting it to come down to somewhere first before we can buy or sell from that point. Yeah, I was expecting it to come down to this point, which it did not do. It did not come down to there. So we're still looking for a sell to push it down there. There's no sell, there's no entry for a sell yet. The CHF, JPY, there's also no entry for now. Then now on the Euro card, it's just keep ranging at this point. If market is ranging in such area, what I usually do, I'll find the other block above the range. And there's no other block above this range, so we should just wait and see what happens until it breaks out of this range and we can find entry. Card CHF, remember this trade I showed you guys yesterday. I said we should not take it. It came down to get the SL here. This is a break of structure here. This is an entry, which it's already respected. So there's no other break of structure yet. Just keep waiting and see what happens. Now on the Euro CHF, I just need to fill out this FVG, then take my entry from here. Definitely, it's filled out. It's actually filled out the FVG, but refused to pick the entry, which will bring what I call endorsement or the inducement. Sorry, it's this, and we'll see. It's another high confirmation for us if market comes to take out this inducement now, and because it not test the entry at any point. So when it takes out the inducement, it tests the entry. That will be the great entry for us as well. So let's keep waiting and see what happens during the day for this. And the AED card, AED CHF is nothing for none because it already took out our SL and just kept going. It kept going, no entry yet. Let's see what happens. It's supposed to sell or buy. It should sell, I guess. Let's see what happens. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. So the trade we took yesterday, took out our SL, came up a bit, reversed again. And we don't like revenging trade here. If not, we would have revenged this trade yesterday and hit another SL again. That's why it's not good to revenge trade. If you have SL, just accept loss and wait for another clear entry. GBP card, daily time frame. Let me see the 1 hour. There's nothing for now on 1 hour as well. NZD USD. If we should come down to this break of structure here, so expect this other block. That's not going to happen today. Actually, it's going to take more time to happen. It's going to take longer time. Let's just be patient and see what happens. NZD CHF. It's trying to form the break of structure here on the higher time frame. Going up to expect this other block here. So we should be seeing more buys on 1 hour to take it up to that point. This is a big FVG we have here. Very big FVG. Let me see on daily time frame. Yeah, that's a very big FVG we have there. If we have a break of structure, here on NZD CHF breakout structure. Yeah. This is actually a chart because market was okay, not a chart actually. It's only range in this place, and it can give a breakout structure from here. Then if we go down to 15 minutes to find our entry at that point, let's see. It will be around here or 5 minutes. So if you'll be asking why I don't go down to 5 minutes to find entry when since market is ranging on 1 hour. Well, most times from my trading experience, I don't have confidence finding trade on 1 hour on 15 minutes, so I just let it be till I see entry on 1 hour. It takes time though, but I just want to be patient and see if it comes on 1 hour. Now on 1 hour, this is our entry. I want market to look out for this higher, this high here. SL should be above that high. It comes to this point, might likely come to this point as well. There's on AVG and there's also that block at this point. Let's just wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens on that. EURJPY. And the EURJPY there is no entry for now. Since I was expecting USDJPY to come down, so I'm setting this one too as well to come down to this point. Or actually, yeah. Let's see if this was the previous day. Okay. It neither took out the previous day high or low, so it might come down to this point before it reverses. If it takes out this high, then we'll go down to 1 hour and wait for a sell entry, then we can start selling. AUD NZD. In the AUD NZD, there's no entry for now, except this is a breakup structure here. It's a breakup structure here. Guess this happened 2 days back. Let's see daily time frame. There's nothing on daily time. Also this breakup structure and this other block at this point. It might come down to that, or let's see on 4 hours. So if it's coming down to this point, you should be expecting more of a sell from the 1 hour instead of a buy. So if market gives us a breakup structure for sell here, we'll abandon this buy and instead sell down to anywhere we want to. Can sell down to this point and wait for another entry. But let's wait for the breakup structure here and see. NZD card. But if it does not give a breakup structure, just come down to this point. You can start buying from here and buy up. NZD card is not entry for now. DBP NZD. I've been waiting for an entry on this trade since this week. I told you it's not going to happen soon. It does not happen this week. It might happen next week. So we should be looking for more sell to push it down, but there's no entry for sell as well. Euro NZD. On the Euro NZD, we have been waiting for a trade as well on this. It's almost at the entry. Almost at the entry. But if there's no and there have not been any entry for sell, else we would have sold down to this entry. As you can see from 15 minutes and 30 minutes as well, no clear entry even at 5 minutes. There's no clear entry for us yet to sell it down. We just wait for the buy to activate. The Euro AUD, also there's no entry for now. So I guess it has to reverse to the top to respect another block, or it comes down to the weekly time frame to respect this other block here. So let's just wait and see what happens. The USD CHF is also no entry for now. So I guess that will be all for today. I will be watching the other trade and I'll keep you guys posted on that. You have a lovely day and bye.